Hi, my name's John Erickson, and I'm ready for the role of Steve.
I mean, what do people want right now? What do they want to see?
They want action. They want politics. They want werewolves.
What if we told you we had a movie with all three?
That's right. Let me set the stage for you. President James Jackson is handicapped. Like, his legs don't work. But at night, he turns into a werewolf that fights crime with his crossbow.
Oh!
But we know what you're thinking. Is it sexy?
You ready for this? Full frontal, but with dudes.
Yeah.
This guy knows what I'm talking about. Mark Wahlberg in Boogie Nights. Kevin Bacon in Wild Things. Weird in American Gigolo. They all hummed on and they all got Oscars.
Oh, and Chad Worthington will be playing the lead. That's non-negotiable for us. You guys ready for the tagline?
Locked, loaded, and handy capable. It's time to roll out the big guns.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and open up for questions.
Yeah, you guys can get the fuck out.
All right. Anybody else? We got this. In this scene, it's a full moon. You've just transformed into your werewolf alter ego, and you're on the hunt for your arch nemesis, Nacho Poppy.
And you're gonna use this to finish the job.
Oh no. Hold on. What is that?
It's the only one they had at the pawn shop.
So you go to a different pawn shop! Just give us a second.
Oh yeah, take your time.
This totally ruins the tone of the film. We can't have Chad Worthington running around with a pink crossbow.
I think it looks kind of cool.
Dude, Chad is not an angel playing OK Cupid. We're not using it. Give it to me.
You're being so unprofessional right now, Steven. It's very unbecoming. You always have to be in control. This is just like when I tried out for The Voice.
Oh, I was trying to do you a favor. No one likes the black-eyed peas.
If I had some of my humps, I'd be famous right now, and you fucking know it.
Give it to me now!